residencies leaving Moonrise. And I'm just gonna walk right over to the beach and show you how easy that is. Take the elevator down. So I'm crossing the street right from where you exit the residence, and there's a path. So you pretty much just want to follow the path, and just a little short walk to the beach. So I've had a lot of people asking me about where that iconic cave is that everyone loves to take photos in. And I've actually never been in it, but today, while I was on the jet ski, this way, I saw it. And so I said, oh, there it is. So now I'm gonna go there, show you where it's at, so that you too can be an Instagram influencer. What you're gonna do is you're gonna follow the path that runs along Cupecoy, right in front of the blue residence. And you're gonna get on the path that's closest to the water. And then you're gonna head north towards Porto Cupecoy. Basically, the cave is down the cliffs, obviously. I think I saw a stairwell that is right next to it, so hopefully this is a lot easier than I'm thinking. Okay, so found the stairwell, and Blue Mall is right there. Old Blue Mall. Blue Residence is right there. There's a stairwell, and then that way is Danny's bar. So we'll go down these stairs and hope that this is it. Could be wrong. We'll find out. Ooh, those waves are big. Okay, well, here's that the tide is. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. All right. Let's see if I found it. I didn't. So, as I've just learned, this is not the right way to the caves. Well, learn from my mistakes. Take two, everyone. You gotta go a little closer to Danny's from where I was. And there's another set of stairs. So, in front of this set of stairs, Danny's Beach Bar is that way. You got a tree with some trash. And you got Blue Mall. And you got Blue Residence. So Danny's, Blue Residence, stairs. These stairs, I think, take us to this cave. the magical cave. Hopefully no one's down here in the nude. Oh, there's a towel, so I'm gonna put the camera away. So, due to the fact that this is a nude beach, I don't want to bring my camera down there. Turning on. Alright, well, the waves were so strong that I couldn't go to the cave. I've never seen them like this. It's absolutely insane. So down there is where the caves are. So I ain't getting down there today. So after not being able to get to the caves due to the high waves, I strapped on my budgie smuggler and decided to enjoy some of the peace and quiet at the beach. But hopefully this will help you at least kind of know the region of where that cave is so you can go take those photos. That's it from me from Phil Friday. See y'all next Friday.